Hi, this is Iggy Ignatius. I'm going to talk to you about how we came up with the Food Anytime app. I was born in Chennai. Now it's Chennai. It used to be Madras in India. And after my college, I moved to the US. And my passion has always been to identify opportunities that will help people around the world for a low cost living. Also, I have seen that opportunities always come from our own experiences. So, with that kind of a mindset, when I was about to retire, my wife and I, we were looking for opportunities to move into a retirement community in the US that would serve us Indian food because food was very important and we did not want to cook in our retirement. And although there are thousands and thousands of retirement communities in the US for the American population, we couldn't find a single retirement community tailored for Indians with Indian vegetarian food, temples with bhajans and artis and celebrating all Indian uh, activities. So we traveled across the US and met hundreds of people and then found out that there is a great demand for this. Most of us have come to the US 40 or 50 years ago, and we are all beginning to retire now. So I saw the opportunity there and I started Shanti Niketan in Florida, which is the first Indian retirement communities that is tailored for the Indian taste in terms of home cooked Indian vegetarian food, providing housekeeping and maintenance in their units, and having a small prayer room temple where people would gather and I have been pretty successful over the last 12 years and I have proved that a couple, an Indian couple in the US, can live for under $1,000 a month with food for two people, property tax, and everything else. So having proved, when I started it, people told me that hey, you're crazy. You can never do this project at that price. But I was very passionate about it. Then recently, we have been traveling a lot, and especially when we travel a lot to the Southeast Asian countries, and specifically we visit Malaysia a lot because I find that a very good alternative to go into retirement and live there. So we used to live there for 1 or 2 months at a time, and we used to go down and eat at restaurants. Then once there was a food stall next to us, and we decided let's go try it. When we tried it, the cost of the food was 50% or less of what a restaurant would cost, and the food was heavenly. It was great. I could say, I have never tasted such good food. So I spoke to the lady there who was selling it. She came from the nearby, the low income apartments. I think they call them PPR or something. And I asked her, "You make such great food, you must be selling a lot." She said, "No, sir, we really, how do I don't know how to sell, so I just have a stall here. So every day 10 or 20 people come and eat." So that's when it struck me that most of the women in the world are great cooks. All our mothers and grandmas, they're all great cooks. And sometimes, even a grandma next door or down the street could be baking the best cupcakes, for example. how do you know that such a person exists? And she would be happy to give you something to taste. But what if we can convert this and empower her to earn some money by sitting at home and doing what she likes best? So I realized there was no such platform available for these women, and I saw a great opportunity to empower all the women, especially the poor women around the world who cannot leave their homes because they have to take care of a child or an elderly person, but they are great cooks. So I came up with this idea. I'm basically a software developer from training. And I came up with this idea that if we can create a platform on the internet where people could post what they cook and they can cook, so and then people around in that neighborhood could identify and find a person who cooks their favorite food. All of us have cravings. So sometimes, you feel like eating a samosa or a curry dish, a soup, a cake. But, we don't want to go travel all the way to, the town. And if we especially live in suburbs. So this particular Food Anytime app will empower both the woman and the buyers. Like buyers have cravings and they could eat a home cooked meal at a fraction of what a restaurant would charge them. And single people, when they come back from work in the evening, they can pre-order the food and pick it up on their way. So the economics part of it, what I realized is, let's say a restaurant sells a food item for $10 or 10 ringgits or whatever. Let's say it's 10, the unit is 10. I have run the food club in Shantiniketan for 12 years, and I know the cost of the raw groceries is usually only about 10% of a restaurant price. So if a lady can cook it at a grocery cost of one unit, $1, 1 ringgit, and she can easily sell it for $5. Of course, she puts her labor, she uses her kitchen, there are no profits to be made, there are no employees she has to pay. And if she can post her food for $5 on the internet, on this food app, Food Anytime, they could sell it for $5 and she will make about $4, 4 units. And I would think when this becomes popular, one could easily sell 25 portions a day, and you don't you don't have to cook everything from day one. You are cooking for your family, maybe for 4 or 5 people. Start off with that. Do not risk making a lot of food. And then once you start getting orders, so what you cook for your family, you post it online on the Food Anytime app. And you may find the first day 1, 2, or 5 people might come and buy it. If they buy all of it on day 1, then you quickly cook for your family and serve them. And if nobody buys, you can serve it for your family, which is what you cooked it for that day. So that's how one can develop. So I think on an average, if they can sell 25 portions and make a 4 unit, $4 profit, a woman can easily make $100 or 100 ringgits a day. So that is what the scope of this project, and this could help all the women who are great cooks and who cannot travel or go out to sell their cooking. This platform will enable them to make a living out of a passion that they have. Thank you, and I hope you all enjoy the Food Anytime app.